doesn't it feel very satisfying cleaning your own bike? So if you have followed our journey, in the last video we went to DGR 2026 in Hinckley, Triumph headquarter, and we kind of, while coming back, battled with a bit of a downpour that day. Not to a very large extent, but the bike is a little bit dirty. It isn't very dirty, but I will be using, I don't know what the brand is. Okay, can you? So I'm just gonna use this first spray, and first wipe would be the dirt, and second would be the wax and waterless wash. I don't know what that means, but yeah, I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not, but I'm just trying to bring it to a state where it's not completely filthy, and I think you guys would agree that only motorbike category that looks really nice when it's dirty is all the adventure category of bike, and this is a cafe racer, so I want it to be pristine, not pristine, but at least to a degree that it looks good. Okay, so let's get started then. So I've done a very mediocre job of cleaning it, but it looks tidy, and I have changed up and ready to go. Rookie mistake, side stand. Let's do it again. Moria. Hello, so we are on our way to a farm, and can you believe it? This is 26-28 degrees. It's super hot right now here in the UK, and to be honest, it really reminds me of riding in Mumbai or back in India. So this place is in Derby, around not much, 20 miles from where I live, so it would be a good short ride for me, and also wanted to explore some countryside, so farmland there. So it would be a good opportunity to see that as well, and I'll be having some real authentic cow's milk. I mean, I totally get it. I love milk, kill me. It may sound funny that you're doing a motorbike just for milk, but in my defense, why not? And look at, I mean, in the end, I just need an excuse to take my motorbike out. That's it. That's it. 15 minutes, only 9 miles away, so I better get there and see you when I get there. Cool. This place doesn't look like it's made for cafe racer. I'm gonna be very slow. Oh god, I could feel that. Yeah, wow, look at those cows, man. It's like a proper farm in here. I'm gonna find a proper shade here. Yeah. Isn't this a cool place? They're scared of you.
Self-service station.
Wow, self-service then. So there's orange juice, apple juice, cloudy lemonade. Wow.
I really want to have ice cream. I'm gonna remove.
There's ice cream, there's eggs. Yeah, let's get ourselves comfortable here. So they have given a complete instruction what you want to do. Milk, add a syrup, shake, and drink and enjoy. They have put all the price tag here, and literally you can help yourself get what you want and pay there. That's it. I'm gonna have, I want to have one chocolate milkshake.
Where is your chocolate milkshake?
Yep.
Add to order, and then I'm gonna have ice cream. So that's 450, 440.
So I went with a pint of real chocolate. What have you got?
I want chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream. So
But
should we just sit there and
Yeah, but I
enjoy?
need a spoon to eat that with. Hi. Hello. The spoon inside it.
Should have thought that through.
Oh yes, there is. Smart packaging.
So we got ourselves a very beautiful space. This is a proper countryside, and that's what I wanted to explore. For a very long time, I just wanted to have something very organic and very pure milk, and obviously you want to support local farmer, and I don't think there's any better way of encouraging local farmer and having fun at the same time.
Yeah.
I got myself this chocolate milkshake, a pint, and Ekta got herself
Chocolate ice cream.
from this little shop. In the backdrop you can see cows just minding their own business. We are minding our own business, and there's a bunch of cows behind the camera that you cannot see. They are minding their own businesses. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my milk.
And
you guys-
currently it's 26 degrees, so I'm very happy.
Trail, it was a very short, I mean hardly 50 yards, really not made for bikes like Cafe Racer, but it was all right. I mean, very small patch. So you see me enjoying this. Now I'm gonna drink and
My ice cream
I'm
smells.
gonna give you a first taste test.
I really like they have a spoon inside
I'm gonna
the
cut-
lid.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this. I can't even open.
Oh.
Okay. Stupid me. Stupid. Obviously, they'll make it easy for people like me. Cheers.
Sure.
This place is right at the doorstep of Nottingham, so you can literally hear bikes going around, which is obviously a very harmonious sound.
Wow, the ice cream is so good.
And if you haven't checked my Matlock video, please click somewhere over here. I'll add it in my description. We're gonna finish this by the time you guys have a good look of this place around. This thing is amazing, amazing.
So is this ice cream, chocolate ice cream, really nice, amazing.
Highly recommend this place
Yes,
if you want to experience a
Detour.
farm. I don't know. It is an experience.
And let me show you around how beautiful this place is. Upsy, bit clumsy, but yeah. He's saying hi. Are you happy, Madhav?
Very. Are you happy, Ekta?
Super duper. I'm always happy.
Oh god, I'm completely toasted, man. We just decided to go, man, because the heat is unbearable. This is where you feel the weight of the bike. Okay. Bike house. Don't be afraid. It's just 47 horsepower. So we are going to a National Trust park just to see if we can find any shade and maybe chill for a bit, because sitting here completely exposed to the sun is not very ideal. Oh wow, this wind really feels very nice, man. Oh. And I'm really looking for a place where I can just park my motorbike under these shade and relax for a bit. That's it. That's my only ask for today, and then I'll be heading home. I really don't know where the Google map is taking me, but this place, this road looks very narrow, and I'm getting a little bit of a shady vibe. But let's see where it takes us. As long as there's no big ass truck comes from front, I'm alright. And this freaking road is a national speed limit. Tell me about that. I think this is where you miss your adventure motorcycle, don't you? But the cool breeze coming around, that's very helpful. But yeah, roads are pretty bumpy, good bumpy for this shock absorber. So this is a real definition of countryside lane, where you really don't know what can come from front. So you can see that this is a completely blind turn, and if I turn and if there's someone, I wouldn't know, just like that quad bike, man. And how could this be a 60 miles? Sometimes, Lord, doesn't make any sense. This is a better road. At least you can see somebody is coming from front. Wow. It's summer. Everyone's out with their toys. Whoa. He has unleashed complete mayhem. So we are here for Kiddiston Hall, but looks like it's already been closed. So we are left with no choice but to head home. I'll be ending this video here. Thank you so much for your time, and thumbs up for yourself. Cheers, have a good one.